If you also want to apply for PR in Canada but you're unable to score 777 in IELTS, but you are self-employed in any field related to cultural activities and athletics, so you can apply for PR under self-employed category, in which you need no IELTS and no higher qualifications. So now let's talk about the occupations which are eligible under this program, because not all the occupations are eligible. There are few occupations which are eligible under this program. Now let's talk about them. Today I will highlight only the main occupations which are eligible under this category: music and movies related occupations, that is actors, directors, singers, producers, etc. Media and production related occupations, for example anchors, cameramen, etc. Sports and athletics related occupations, coaches, trainers which has participated in world class level and represented country. Arts related occupations, for example painters, sculptors, designers, etc. Now let's talk about the selection criteria of this program. It is a point based selection in this program, and you need 35 points out of 100 points to qualify for this program. Those 100 points are based on 5 main factors, which are as follows: age 10 points, work experience 35 points, qualification 25 points, your language ability, that is your IELTS 24 points, adaptability, which means family ties in Canada, your previous work experience in Canada, your previous qualification in Canada, that consists of 6 points. Out of these 100 points, you need only 35 points to qualify under this program. For further details and detailed information of this program and proper assessment of your profile, whether you qualify, whether your occupation is in the list of self-employed or not, you can contact us via website, phone number and email, and the given details on the screen. Thank you.